Oh, thank you, man. You don't know how much I appreciate it. We were so many months without life.
Glad to help.
I'm so happy that
That's
you
what we're
guys
here
were
for.
here for you to help us.
So we all came.
I really appreciate what you did.
You're welcome.
We did it.
A lot of us involved.
Yeah.
We're glad to help.
I'm so thankful for all what you have done for us, and I know you're gonna keep on helping Puerto Rico, and we all appreciate it. We all love you so much for giving your hearts to us and helping us when we most needed it. I am so thankful for that, and I know that we are in a little crisis, but little by little you've been bringing us hope. And I'm so grateful for that.
Well, you're welcome.
You know what that is? Almost 6 months without electricity, and you don't really know what you have until you lose it, for real, And it's so insignificant. Like every day you wake up and you see the light, but when it gets nighttime, that's when you really notice that you don't have electricity to heat up anything in the stove or microwave. You can't turn no lights on. It's unbearable, really. Come over here, you guys. I gotta give you all a hug. All three of them all together. Come on.
Oh.
Bring it in. Bring it in. Man, I love you guys.
Oh, no problem.
No problem, ma'am.
That's what we're here for. Glad it worked out for you.
Thank you.